In today's episode of Open Firepit Cooking, we're going to be cooking up some barbecue chicken. So, if this is your thing, I love barbecue chicken. We'll be showing you how to do it. So, stay tuned. So, today's chicken, I'm going to be barbecuing up some of my favorite dark meat. So, these are some boneless thighs that I like to get. The skin's on one side, they're kind of laid open. So I'm going to be doing these barbecue style over the charbroiler. So I'm going to season them up. I'm going to cook them like that till they're about 165, 170, and then I'll start saucing them. And use your favorite barbecue sauce when you do that. So the barbecue sauce I'm going to use today for my base is Sweet Baby Ray's. And I'm going to be seasoning these with my favorite seasonings, which this is chicken and I'm barbecuing it, so I'm going to use a seasonal. So let's just sprinkle some seasonal on there. Use some onion powder. And again, this is going to be cooking over the grill, and a lot of this is going to be dripping down, so you can just sprinkle this all over. I like smoked paprika, so I'm going to put some of that on there. And of course, I love garlic on my chicken, so I'm going to do some of my roasted garlic. Some people don't like it, but there's never too much garlic type of dude. So, and then I'm going to use my McCormick's vegetable seasoning. Sprinkle some of that on it. And the whole cook on this chicken, I'm going to be cooking it with the skin side down. Hopefully it'll get real crispy, and I'm going to wait for my coals to burn down, and I'm going to be cooking over direct heat. So hopefully this won't take that long, maybe between 25 and 40 minutes, depending on how hot my grill is. So that's some coarse pepper, and then I'm going to use my pink Himalayan salt. I'm going to let that sit. I'm going to let the coals burn down a little bit, and we'll be back to put on the chicken on the grill. Thank you for stopping in. So our coals have burned down a little bit, so I'm going to throw this chicken on the grill. So I spread my coals out. There's no more flames, but it's still pretty strong heat. But I'm going to cook this all skin side down. So I'm going to take these and lay these out. I'm a dark meat type of guy. Use your favorite meat. But I love, for barbecue chicken, I love a dark meat. And then these boneless thighs are really nice because you don't have to worry about the meat right up against the bone getting done or not. So I'm going to just let them cook, and then I'll be back, and I'll juice them with some butter and beer, and then right at the end I'll take my barbecue sauce mixture and then put the barbecue sauce on. So we'll be back in a few. Okay, so we're back. This chicken's going pretty good now. I think I'm gonna make it moist with some butter and beer. I got my little Dutch oven here that I've been melting this butter in. I got my good mop. I'm going to mop this real quick. So it's looking really good to go. I'm keeping it skin side down so that skin can get real crusty, and then all the juice is just going down into the meat. So hopefully this chicken will be super juicy. I think I'm just gonna use my barbecue sauce. So the next time when we're back, I'm gonna have this in a bowl and I'll just mop it with some barbecue sauce real quick and crisping it up. So this should be pretty amazing. So stay tuned. Okay, we're probably about 25 to 30 minutes into this cook. I'm gonna temp it real quick. So I see how the chicken's all shriveling up. This looks like the least done one, so I'm gonna hit it right there real quick. See what that is. Okay, we're good to go everywhere. Okay, yeah, we're good to go. So I'm gonna just take my pot right here, my little mini Dutch oven that I had the butter and beer in, and I'm just gonna add some barbecue sauce to it. So whatever barbecue sauce that you like in yours. Take one mop. I'm just gonna hit this all with this barbecue sauce. It's already smelling amazing. So I'm pretty liberal with my barbecue sauce. I like to get it all nice and crispy, so I do it at the end of my cook. And so far up until now I haven't flipped it, so I'm going to flip it real quick. And then I'm going to do the side that was bottom side. I'm going to flip that. I got those nice char marks on there. Change this charbroiler for that. So when we do barbecue chicken, we like ours on the more well done side. And we like this crispy skin. But however you like yours, do yours that way. And I'm gonna hit this side of it too. Remember, this is the skin side, so even though it looks got them lines on there, it's gonna be nice and crunchy. And we basted it with that butter and beer, so it's gonna be juicy too now. So probably gonna let the bottom side crisp up real quick, and then I'll flip it again. So we'll be back in a couple minutes, maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Thank you for stopping in. Okay, so we're back. It's been about 5 minutes, so I'm going to flip them back over. I got some char on the other side now. I think I'm going to juice these one more time. The thing I love about cooking outdoors is just the time that it takes, man. You get to hang out after a long day, and just relax, cook some good food, hang out with your family, your friends. Just a good experience. I love cooking this way. I love the environment. So brings back a lot of good memories from my childhood of cooking outdoors. Cover that back up, and next time you see me, I'll be pulling off the grill and we'll be letting it rest. So I'll see you soon. So it's been about 4 or 5 minutes now. I'm going to take this off and I'm going to pull my chicken off. I let this barbecue sauce sit on here, crisp up, brown up. And like I said, we like ours a little bit on the well done side, extra crispy. So however you enjoy your chicken, do it to your taste. So that's what we got going on. We're gonna let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before we cut into it. So we'll be right back. So our chicken thighs have been resting for about 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and cut some of them up and we'll see what's going on inside. So I'll grab this one here real quick. I'm just going to slice into it and see what it's doing. Oh my God, it's falling apart. And that's that crispy skin on the bottom there. That's the way we like it. If you don't like it that way, you can cook it a little bit less, but we like that crunchy barbecue chicken. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, it's not dried out. Oh my God. You want to try some of this? Yeah? Come here. Grab one.
Yeah.
This is mine.
Ouch. Hot, hot, hot.
Mm. So I like the crunchy skin. Again, if you don't like it that way, then do it however you like. But this is amazing barbecue chicken. I love these boneless thighs. So that's what I choose to use. And I like a dark meat when I do barbecue chicken. Oh my God, this is good. And it's done. You can see that. So I cooked it with some hickory. You can see the smoke ring too. So I got the smoke ring in there. Oh my God, there's nothing that makes me more happy than some good barbecue chicken. So if you like this recipe, try it out. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm almost to 100 subscribers now. I need that to change my channel. So I need that channel name so people can search me good. So if you like this recipe, if you like what I'm doing, remember, hang out. Life's short, so just enjoy it with family and friends and good food. Thank you for stopping in. This is Benjamin from OpenFirepitCooking.com. Hope to see you again.